guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, guys, welcome. My name is Michi Boo. That's my alias. My name is Michelle. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. So guys, today I am going to be doing a rockmelon, but guys, it's gonna be just a surprise at the end. What am I gonna put in this drink? Actually, it's gonna be a shake I'm making. So guys, I am going to be cutting my rockmelon just like this, and we're gonna take the seeds out, guys. I might just try planting these around the back of my yard. So we're gonna peel the skins off. I might just use these two pieces. And guys, you know that rockmelon is good for high blood pressure. It's loaded. You can make smoothies with it. But today I'm going to make a shake. So guys, let's start by cutting up our rockmelon into squares. Guys, we are going to make our rockmelon juice, and then I'm going to turn it into a shake. So guys, I'm going to pack my cantaloupe, my rockmelon in the bowl. So guys, I'm going to start by putting in my melon, and we are going to make this lovely rockmelon shake, guys. So watch the video to the end to see how I make the rockmelon shake. So guys, the melon is packed with beta carotene. It has 90% of water, vitamin C, potassium, folic acid, you name it guys. I will list some of the things in the description box. And of course, you know, I am using my Covin Revo 830. How can I not use this juicer? It's everything. And guys, the Covin have a juicer, a new juicer. It almost look like the Noma. You guys can invest in one of those. It is so good to have a juicer to get your juice on. So guys, this fruit is low in fat, cholesterol free, low in sodium, and gluten free. And guys, did you know that this reduces the risk of diabetic? It boosts the immune system also. So guys, I would love for everyone to try this drink, whether you want to try it with what I'm gonna add to it, or you can just do it natural. So guys, we are going to let out our juice. And guys, I am going to use the next piece. I'm going to cut it off camera and then continue my juicing. Guys, here is the other part of the rockmelon, so I'm going to continue juicing. I've did it off the camera. Didn't want the video to be long and drawn out, so let's continue our juicing. So here I'm adding my last set of rockmelon, guys. And you all know that rockmelon lower blood pressure, so I just use the evaporated milk. I'm just gonna use that to add to it, guys, and use my monk fruit instead of sugar to add a little bit of just a spoon. So guys, I'm gonna let out my second batch of juice. I am gonna turn on the juicer to get the rest out. So now we are gonna serve up the drink, but I'm gonna add some things in this drink, and we're gonna turn it into a shake. So guys, I am going to add some milkshake and some monk fruit. So this is the monk fruit. It's a sweetener, it makes from fruit, guys. I don't use sugar, so I'm gonna add just a spoon of monk fruit, and I'm gonna mix it in. Then let you have a closer look. I'm gonna put some evaporated milk. So this is how you come by the shake, guys. So we're gonna pour the milk in. And we're gonna add some vanilla. Hold on, guys. We're gonna add some. I'm not gonna add any vanilla. I'm gonna add some cinnamon. So guys, I am gonna share my drink. But before I do so, I will put some ice. Let's get some ice into even if the ice falls, it's a decoration, guys. So it will look good. So I'm gonna put plenty ice, and the reason why I'm putting plenty ice is because I'm gonna put some decoration on top of the drink. So guys, let's go. Wow. Let's go with the next one. And guys, let me show you how I'm gonna decorate the top. I normally decorate around it, but now I'm putting some of the melon on top of the drink. Then I'm gonna put my straw in, just like that. Guys, look how lovely that looks. And honestly, I'm just gonna put some ice around it. Look at that, guys. Very lovely. And I'll just put some flowers from my garden. So guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you for subscribing for the new subscribers, and thank you for everyone that watched this video, and those who are here with me, thank you so much. Have a great weekend. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with a friend, and see you in the next video, guys. Have a lovely weekend. Hope you all will try this rockmelon. Say the name in the comment, guys. Shake. And I tell you, it tastes a little bit better than carrot juice, so you must know how nice it tastes. Bye for now. I'll give you a close-up look, guys. That's the cinnamon on the top.